I will shut you down.
10 fufu. Omo Eko doesn't want to learn. He doesn't know that.
Omo Eko.
Action. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Please shut down.
This is another section, another game. So, Spanner, what do you have to say?
This guy.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Spanner Fred, and we are here with another food challenge. You can see Omo Eko here. He knows how they do waiting for Ladipot. You know the story. You understand? Omo Eko has been disturbing me, telling me that he wants to challenge me. So that he wants to challenge me. That guinea. For men looking at him, this guy in a video. Are you sure?
We will Ladipot him.
This is 10 fufu, and the winner will go home with a sum of 40,000 naira.
40K.
If he wins me, he's going to transfer to 40,000.
We go win.
Then if I win, he will transfer 40,000.
We go
That's
win.
just the game.
Let's go.
Are you game?
Yes.
Are you
Agbero,
game?
what do you have to say? Let's go.
Omo Eko, this is 2025. Spanner don't win for the first time, and this second time, I must win Spanner. I don't carry Juju come.
I'll tell you.
I carry Juju
You are
come.
well prepared.
I carry well prepared.
10 fufu.
10 fufu.
Let's
and
go.
40,000 is going down.
Game start.
Are you ready? I'm ready. Game start.
Shut down. Omo Eko. Let's go. Omo Eko. Spanner. Wait it. Omo Eko.
Guys, I can see Omo Eko bringing in new pattern.
Let's go.
Challenge Spanner
Let's
on
go.
this one.
Let's go.
This is 10 fufu games, guys.
I will shut you down.
10 fufu. Omo Eko doesn't want to learn. He doesn't know that
Omo Eko.
Spanner
Now it's time of two hands.
is always ready.
Let's go. I believe you.
Omo Eko is bringing new pattern.
I believe you.
Omo Eko is bringing new pattern.
Let's go.
Omo Eko came with new pattern. But Spanner,
Shut down. Just play four.
but Spanner has his own
Just lay five.
and pattern
Just lay five.
of glutonizing the food.
Transfer me money. Lay five. Lay three. Transfer money. 9-1.
10 fufu is going down. Like say na rice.
We are coming here. May 2.
Omo Eko.
Let's go, Spanner.
Omo Eko.
Let's go.
Omo Eko na 40,000 naira you put for here.
I don't come up for your side.
For 10 fufu, and you are eating like this. You guys can see the pattern Spanner is using two hands.
Okay, let's count it.
And he's mobilizing the
Let's
food.
count it. Roll it.
Let's go.
1,
Spa, na,
3.
spa, hehe, wahala.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have seen that. Don't be saying that Juju Spanner they use.
Never win.
They why yourself.
I try to say that.
All right, if you feel you can challenge Spanners,
Drop your comment.
you say.
If you know you can challenge me, drop your comment. Drop a comment and I will locate you. Drop your location, I will locate you. I will locate you any place.
Agbero, what do you have to tell your people?
I win. You win me.
You go ask them for comment section, don't worry.
But I will get transfer money.
40,000.